Hi, this is Linda Berardi. This is your PCC Minute and a Half. To activate presence, to activate relationship building, and to activate strength spotting, here are 3 activities that you can put in play right now. To be more present, to be more fully aware, the most important thing that you can put in play to activate presence in your person-centered approach is to listen. Is to not only listen with your ears, listen with your whole being. So being present requires a mindfulness in you that will sift away and remove the distractors from your focus to total focus in front of the person you're with. So to listen with your ears, to listen with your heart, to listen with the whole being of who you are in that moment means to be present with yourself first, and then to offer that self in relation to the person in front of you in a way that is inviting for them to share, for them to be, without any judgment and without any other distractors. So how will you be fully present today with the people you serve? And secondly, relationship. To build positive relationships, we need to keep in mind this ratio of what I call the ask to tell ratio. I have found in my work as a consultant and in teaching leadership and being a trainee in leadership programs as well, that asking more questions than what you are telling is a fantastic way to develop a positive relationship. And why is that? Because when you're asking, you're curious. When you're asking questions, that is an invitation for somebody to share who they are with you and what they're thinking with you and their perspective with you. So the less you tell and the more you ask, the more open that relationship becomes and the more fertile it becomes for being a positive relationship. So how will you shift your ask to tell ratio today? I invite you to activate 3 questions to everything you say that is a tell. So 3 asks to 1 tell in your conversation with a person you serve, in a conversation with a colleague, or in a conversation with a family member today. Ask more than you tell and see what you discover about the relationship you have with that person. And finally, to activate strengths, to be a strength spotter, you must be an inspirer. And one of the lessons that I've had is, in order to know that you're effective at inspiring someone, you should look for the shining eyes right here. So ask yourself this question when it comes to strength spotting. Who am I being that I do not see shining eyes in the person that I'm with? So if you're serving a client, if you're working on a demanding project with a colleague, or if you're teaching one of your staff a new skill, be mindful of what we call the shining eyes. When you are activating inspiration, when you are calling upon someone's strengths and calling them out to be the best that they can be from a point of strength, by identifying what they do well, by celebrating their contribution, by appreciating who they are uniquely, you are lighting up the eyes. So look for the shining eyes as an inspirer, as an avid strength spotter. So my challenge to you today is to create shining eyes in somebody that you're working with. Thank you. This has been your PCC Minute and a Half. I'll see you soon.